Hello, Coach K community. We are going to be doing a full body Pilates workout today. All you need is just your mat, and let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and lay all the way down onto your back. Feet are gonna go flat onto your mat, knees are bent. You're gonna take your arms straight up towards the ceiling. Wrists are right in line with your shoulders here. You're gonna anchor your shoulders back and down into your mat, slight tuck into your pelvis, start engaging those lower abs. Slow and controlled, you're just gonna reach those hands down towards your hips, and then slow and controlled, reach those arms back on up. And again, slow and controlled, the arms go down. Slow and controlled, hands go back up. In a 5, I'm going to add a center crunch here. Now you want to make sure that we're not flexing those wrists. We're elongating those fingers. Fingers to wrist, wrist to forearm, create that beautiful line. Think about reaching beyond those hips with those fingers. In 2. As the hands go down, we're gonna add a center crunch here. 1 more. Now what's going to happen is as our hands go down, tuck your chin slightly in, lift your head, neck, and shoulders, look through your legs, slow and controlled, lay back on down. And again, reach those hands, center crunch, lay back down, recenter those hands up. Can you crunch an inch higher on this next one? Can you slow it down? Try not to rush through this movement here. In 3, you're gonna hold those hands down by your hip. 2. Now on this last one, reach those hands down, pause. Now pulse your hands up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lay back down. Reset those hands up. Anchor those shoulders back and down. 1 at a time, you're gonna bring your legs up into a tabletop. So what I mean by that is let's take our right leg first. You're gonna bring your right leg up so that your ankle is in line with your knee is in line with that hip, and that right foot is floating in the air. Now without shifting your weight, just slow and controlled, bring your left leg up to match that right leg. Hold. Now slow and controlled, reach those arms down. Slow and controlled, reach those arms up. And again, slow and controlled down, slow and controlled back up. Now as you continue those arms, what you want to make sure is those knees are always in line with those hips. You're not tucking in towards your chest. You want to constantly think like your feet are reaching away from your body. Ankles should be aligned with those knees. They can also go higher. You just never want to drop those ankles down lower. Now let's add that center crunch. As those hands go down, lift your head, neck, and shoulders up, lay back on down. And again, lift, reach, lay down. In a 5, we're gonna hold those hands down, hold that center crunch. In 4, 3, 2. Now on this last one, hold it there, pump those arms for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lay back down, drop 1 foot at a time, shake it on out. So I'm gonna keep you here on your back, but what you're going to do is fully extend both of your legs nice and long. Now the goal of this next exercise is to not move your hips. Take your right leg, bring it up towards that ceiling, hold. Now what we're gonna do is a little circle. You're gonna bring your right leg slightly down, circle around to the right, bring it back on up towards that ceiling. Now they're tiny little circles. Think as if you're just circling to the size of a dinner plate. So it's not big, it's really small. We're focused on keeping our hips nice and still. You're gonna notice your lower abs are engaging as you circle that leg. In a 5, we're going to reverse that circle. In 4, give me like a little pause in between each circle. In 3, 2, 1. Pause, now reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that right leg back on down. Now take your left leg, reach the left leg up towards that ceiling. Pause. We go down, circle out to the left, circle back on up. And again, I'm keeping my circles really small. We're focusing on that hip stability here. It's not about crushing through a heavy leg sequence. If you're really focused on that hip stability, again, you're gonna feel that core engagement at the same time. In 4, we're gonna reverse these circles. In 3, 2, last one, pause, now reverse for 10. Same thing here, when you finish out that circle, pause for a second, then continue that circle. Slowing things down, not rushing through this movement, taking that pause in between each one. For 3, 2, 1. Bring that left leg down. We're gonna one at a time, bring our legs back up into a tabletop. Now from here, lift your head, neck, and shoulders up. You're gonna take the left hand to your shin, right hand to the knee, extend your right leg away. Single leg reach. What you're going to do is you're gonna switch. Bend your right knee, extend the left leg. Right hand to the shin, left hand to the knee. And again, switch. Extend the right leg, bend the left knee. And then switch. We're gonna go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back to a tabletop. Now hold both shins, left hand on the left shin, right hand on the right shin. Now slow and controlled, you're gonna extend both of your legs, slowly reach your arms behind your head. Bend it back on in for 10. Now classically, we're supposed to circle those arms. Due to my small space, I'm just going to extend my arms, bring them back on in. Modification, take your head down to the mat instead of holding that center crunch there. Getting that length and bending it in. We're gonna go for 4. Go in 3. We got 2. 1 more here. And bring it on in. From here, you're gonna go ahead and lay onto the left side of your body. Left elbow is gonna come down onto your mat. Left hand is gonna support the back of your head. You're gonna extend both of your legs nice and long, but my feet are slightly in front of my hips to create what's called a banana shape. Take your right hand, press it down into the mat. Now, what we're going to do is right leg's gonna stay nice and straight, point your right foot. You're gonna lengthen your right leg up, flex that right foot as you go down. So again, point as you go up, flex as you go down. For 10. Same thing here, focus on those hips. We're trying to keep our hips nice and stacked, making sure we don't rock forward, making sure we don't rock back. Start with a small range of motion. Then maybe try to go an inch higher. But again, if it's gonna make you move those hips, Cut that range of motion for me. In 4, we're gonna hold that right leg up at hip height here. In 3. Going 2. Now on this last one, point, reach it up at hip height, hold. In 5, you're gonna pulse it up an inch and down an inch. In 3, 2, 1. Little ups and downs for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Now, whichever way the mind tells you to go first, create little in the air circles there. Doesn't matter which way the mind told you to circle that leg first, because of course in 7, we're going to reverse that circle there. In 6, 5, keep them small. They're not big. We want to keep those hips nice and stacked. In 3, 2, 1, pause. Now reverse that circle for 10. Going 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. Take your right leg, bend it in, turn out your right knee, place your right foot behind your left leg. We're going to keep our left leg turned out. Slow and controlled, you're gonna lift the inside of that left leg, slow and controlled, touch it back on down. And again, lift that left leg, slowly touch it down for 9. Squeezing from that inner thigh. 8, 7. In 6, we're gonna hold that left leg up. In 5, 4, go in 3, you got this, 2. Now on this last one, hold it there. Now pulse it up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. Go ahead and come up into a seated position here. We're doing what's called a figure 4 stretch. So you can see my right knee, I'm gonna turn the other way. So your feet are flat onto your mat. Hands are gonna support you on your mat. Take your right ankle, bring it up and over your left knee. Drop that right knee out to the side. Now, if you're a little bit more flexible, pull that left heel in closer. You can also tilt slightly to the left to get that deeper glute stretch there. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on through the center. Extend those legs nice and long. And lay all the way down onto your back. One at a time again. Let's bring those legs up into our tabletop here. This time you're gonna bring the fingertips to the sides of the face or behind the head for extra support on your neck. Just make sure it's a light fingertip hold. You're gonna lift your head, neck, and shoulders, hold that center crunch. Let's do the upper body first. Let's practice that. You're gonna twist to the right, bringing the left elbow to the right knee. Come back through the center, twist to the left. Come back on through. One more. Twist to the right, bring it back on through the center, twist to the left. Now let's add the legs. We'll isolate the right side. So twist to the right, extend your left leg. Bend it back on in, come through the center. Then again to that right side. Twist to the right, extend that left leg, bring it in, back to the center. Now let's do 2 to the left. Twist to the left, extend your right leg. Bring it back on in, de-rotate. One more. Twist, extend, bend, de-rotate. Now let's take that up to full speed. Twist to the right, bring through the center. Twist to the left, bring through the center. Keep going for 10. This is your final fight of abs for today. Then we gotta do our sideline series on the other side right after this. So maybe you're gonna crunch up a little bit higher. Maybe you're gonna take that extension a little bit lower. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and shake it on out. Let's lay onto the right side of our body. Your right elbow is gonna come down to the mat. Right hand supports you. Extend those legs nice and long. Slow and controlled. So you're gonna keep that left leg straight. You're gonna point that foot as you go up. Flex as you come down for 10. Again, the goal isn't the height. The goal is to make sure our hips stay nice and stacked the entire time. To make sure that you're not rolling front or back here. In 5, we're gonna hold that left leg up. In 4, 3, 2. Now on this last one, point, lift, hold. In 5, we're gonna pulse that left leg up and down an inch. In 3, 2, 1. Slow and control, little pulses for 10, 9, 8. In 7, you're gonna hold it there in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Create little tiny in the air circles for 10. In 9, we're gonna reverse that circle in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse for 10, 9. Keep it small. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Bend the left knee in. Rotate the knee up. Take the left toes down to the mat. Keep your right leg turned out. Squeezing from your inner thigh. Lift that right leg up. Touch it down for 10, 9. In 8, we're gonna hold it up in 7, 6. Go in 5. In a 4, we're gonna hold it there in 3. Go in 2. On this last one, hold. Now little pulses up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. Take a seat onto your mat here. Let's do the figure 4 on the other side. Bring both feet flat to the mat. Take that left ankle up and over that right knee. Now again, you can slightly tilt to the right to get that deeper glute stretch there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on through the center. We're gonna stay seated. Go ahead and extend both of your legs nice and long. You're gonna reach those arms out in front of your body. You're gonna rotate your torso so we're squared over our right leg. Peel back your right arm towards the back, so away from your body. Take the left hand, take a nice big inhale. As you exhale, you're gonna fold forward, taking the left hand to the outside of your right leg. Now, I am not flexible here in the hamstrings. If you are though, think about taking your left hand, swipe it down towards your right pinky toe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on up. De-rotate first. We go to the left side. Rotate to the left. Peel back that left arm. Fold forward for 10, 9, and 8. We're gonna end with that seated meditation here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. Bring it back through the center. De-rotate. Let's go ahead and bend those feet on in. Knees are bent. Let's just relax. Bring those hands to the stomach. Roll your shoulders back and down. Take in that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. Well, thanks for joining me today. If this was your first time ever trying a Pilates workout, I'd love to know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next workout. Bye.